How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Go to your phone's App Store, like the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android, and check if there's an update available for TikTok. If there is, just hit the update button. Launch the TikTok app on your phone. Look for the little speech bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. That's your inbox, where all your TikTok messages are. Tap on the conversation you want to delete your message on. Scroll through your messages until you find the one you want to get rid of. When you see it, tap and hold on it. A few options should pop up. After tapping and holding on the message, you'll see a few options appear. One of them should say delete. Tap on that. Now, TikTok gives you a choice. If you want the message gone for both you and the person you sent it to, tap delete for everyone. If you just want it gone from your own view, tap delete for me. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to see more videos on similar topics, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching until the very end. We'll see you in the next video.